was a lot of construction going on in the Philippines. You just gotta get into the developers. Moya Station. Mexico, ACL. Shinagawa.
The next station is Shinagawa Checkpoint on 6. The doors on the right side will open.
What you believe? Send me all the pictures of Joy's family. Then she was playing a joke with me. I said, I was telling Frank, I go, boy, you better hurry up because pretty soon you lose her. You know, if you act slow. Send me all the pictures of you guys when you were in the Philippines. Who? Oh, really? He's serious, but he's just slow. He doesn't know what to do. Keeps on calling me, Jack. Help me out. You gotta figure it out on your own, boy. Yeah, here's their family.
How old is Frankie?
Frankie?
How old?
Kept on calling me.
No, how old is Frankie? How old?
Who?
Frank.
He's like 50, 58, 59, almost 60. And Joy's like 38.
Joey is heartbreaking. You know, it's heartbreaking. She's like working how many jobs she likes to do. Like, she's a job. It's early.
It runs in the family, right?
Yeah. When
She's loyal, so.
I was just like telling her that she always
So
not
Frankie,
out and just
I think if Frankie marries her, he'll be very lucky. Because as he gets older, he'll take care of her. Two more stops.
The next station is Osaki Terminal, R8. The doors on the right side will open. Please change it for the JR Yamanashi line, the JR Shoulder Shinjuku line, the JR Cycle line, and through service to Sodezu line. Thank you for traveling with us, and we look forward to serving you
so
again.
he already like prepare everything paperwork. Now he's trying to cancel it. And then asking me, do you have anybody? And he said, no,
お客様にお知らせいたし
but
ま
so I told my cousin,
す。ただいま停止信号です。
Stand
I love
by.
Frankie.
Still stand by. She doesn't want anybody?
She said that she loved
Attention please.
Really?
We have stopped momentarily for stop signal.
You know, when you
Please wait for further information.
kind of easy, said like, no, I don't, you know, Frankie's so nice. Because I told her like, oh, just like a sandbag, but she said no. You know me, I was just like, just in case. But she said like, no.
You know, backup plan.
Yeah, she said like, no, she's not.
Oh, you spoke to her?
Well, before, I was like telling her, like, hey, I have a husband, are you gonna like stop? So that's like, you know, and then she said like, no.
Oh, wow.
I have like,
Frankie's a star.
it's not serious, you know, you gotta go find.
I think it's serious. He just doesn't know what to do. Yeah.
I'm waiting for I told them, I have a friend that I'm gonna ask you before 6 months, but now it's 1 year.
I thought you said 2 years.
But before it's only 6 months like that.
So you put pressure on him. Oh, Frankie, you better hurry up.
Oh, what's the time is?
Time is running
I don't
out.
know, like, they want it, they don't want the stuff to it's up to them, it's up to the company. But they don't want to like because for me, if you like each other, you guys gonna do your own.
Continue that.
Yeah, because
If you're in love, then
yeah.
love will find its way.
If we don't like each other, so if you like each other, then like, you know,
I'll pressure you.
your own
Frankie,
stuff.
hurry up.
And then it's easy because you know, Rocky, my friend told me that sometimes it's easy if your pictures also includes the other country, not only for you. That means it's serious. Because you included like the kids with you, not only pictures of them. Because sometimes.
Is it? Is it?
I think we can stay. It's going back. Yeah, because this is the end of the line. We have to go next one.
Local train bound for Shinkiba through circuit.
前ですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。Your attention please. The local train